Alright, getting back from the previous video. Now, I'm trying to see if I can make the US 70 though, which is speed limit is 45, to go a little faster so you hear how loud it gets. The faster you go, the louder the exhaust leak goes. I mean, yeah, like I said, like a dual exhaust, which one muffler in one pipe and none in the other. Alright. Is somebody gonna let me through or what? Okay, I think I got a chance now. Let's hope this light will stay green by the time I cross it. Well, these are 60-second videos because of the memory card. When I get some extra money, I just buy a memory card that has more. Alright, listen to that sound. I just want to hear the gears whine in the transmission. Later.